The panel that allows you to manage shipment information is located on the left side and is called Shipments. Click on it to access its functionality. As you can see, you can find here information about the creation of a given shipment request, at what time and date it was created, the order number, the channel from which the data was received, the current status, and possible actions to be taken. By clicking on the Filters button, you can manage shipment information more efficiently and quickly. Just select the filter you are interested in and approve the changes. As you can see, you can filter information among channels, status, and shipping methods. Now let's move on to the order panel itself. Here you will find the most relevant customer information. The same as in the previous recordings. You will find information about the delivery address and billing address. From this panel, you will also affect the shipping status change by entering the tracking code. Here you will also resend the order confirmation email. In the Invoices tab, you have access to detailed information about the order, and here are the details of the ordering customer. As you can see in the upper right corner, you can download a given invoice or resend it. By clicking on the Complete button, you can change the status of a given order and thus make the payment accepted. Moving on to refunds. You can refund the items your customer bought with a single Refund All button. For this recording, we will change the payment method and accept the changes by clicking the Refund button. As you can see, there is a new functionality just above the Shipments tab. From here, you can affect the status of your refunds. When you do this, a new tab will appear below the Invoices tab, Credit Memos. You can access the information there by clicking on the Details button. In addition, from this panel, you can download the PDF file with the help of the button in the upper right corner, Download. Now let's return to the Shipments tab. You can directly check the information about a particular shipment from this panel. All you have to do is click on the Show button. In addition, from this panel, you can assign a tracking code and ship a given order.